In a significant announcement on Tuesday, US Secretary of State Antony Blinken revealed a new visa restriction policy aimed at individuals undermining peace, security, or stability in the occupied West Bank. The measures will specifically target those involved in violent acts or actions restricting civilians' access to essential services and necessities. Blinken stressed that these restrictions may also extend to family members of the implicated individuals. US President Joe Biden, along with other high-ranking American officials, has repeatedly urged Israel to take action against the escalating violence in the West Bank. The urgency of this call has intensified since the October 7th Hamas attack on Israel. Blinken emphasized the need for the Israeli government to hold extremist settlers accountable for their violent actions against Palestinians during recent meetings in Israel. He made it clear that Washington is prepared to take action using its own authority. The implementation of the new policy has begun with the first visa ban set to be imposed. US State Department spokesperson Matthew Miller informed reporters that these designations would impact dozens of individuals and any affected Israeli with an existing US visa would be notified of the revocation. The West Bank has been under Israeli occupation since the 1967 Middle East War, with Israel constructing settlements in the region, a move considered illegal by most countries. According to UN figures, the situation has escalated with daily settler attacks more than doubling. Tensions rose further following the Hamas attack, leading to Israeli airstrikes on Gaza and subsequent violence. The United States is urging Israel to prosecute those responsible for the violence in the West Bank. However, according to a senior State Department official, as of now, there has been no indication of such steps being taken. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken affirmed that Washington will continue to engage with Israeli leadership, highlighting the necessity for additional measures to protect Palestinian civilians from extremist attacks. He also called on the Palestinian Authority to take more significant actions to curb attacks against Israelis.